lychees are all well, and it's important that you wash them first, then you peel them. You can give them another rinse, drain it. They're all peeled. Now remember, the inside have that black pit. If you haven't seen my video on the Food FAQ channel, you might want to head over there where I talk quite a bit about lychees. I'm going to go in with some sea salt. We need some fresh ground black pepper. And this is a sort of a, and you know, chow, and we've talked about this. I have several types of chow recipes on CaribbeanPod.com. We've talked about it. It is a sort of a spicy pickle that we love. Yeah, we love spicy, and we love to make use of all the fruits and vegetables and everything else that's in the Caribbean. Of course, we'll need some lemon juice or lime juice, either works. So I've got my little squeeze here. That acidity is going to bring that tartness to the game here to help balance off some of the sweetness from the lychee, which is naturally there. Some more of that lemon juice, and again, if all you have is lime juice, rock that lime juice. Uncle Chris is not hating. The other thing I want is a nice big clove of garlic, and I can already get that smell that's so reminiscent of my childhood in the Caribbean, eating mango chow or cucumber chow, pomsite chow, all the different types of chow that we make in the Caribbean. Now typically I would go in with Scotch bonnet pepper in there, but I've got this chili flakes that I purchased at the local Asian market. I'm just going to go in with some of that chili flakes in there, and this is where you can be aggressive if you want it really spicy, or if you don't want it spicy, of course you can hold back on it. This one is more about flavor than pronounced heat. I'm just going to hit that and mix, but something is missing. A key ingredient is missing in here, in my humble opinion, and I know exactly what it is, so hold tight. One of the most essential ingredients in a chow, in my humble opinion, is shadow benny. Some of you call it culantro. So we're going to grab a couple leaves here straight out of the garden. Summertime, you know, your boy Harvey seasoning and everything, you know, lemongrass, all kind of thing here, but a couple leaves here, and we're going back inside. Sup soldiers, listen, if you enjoy this recipe, I'd really appreciate it if you hit subscribe and click that bell notification thing. If you've made the recipe, take a picture and send it to me, email address down here. I'm trying to tell people the email address, them butts will take the address and do all kind of thing with it, and tag me on Instagram at Caribbean Pod. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for being in my kitchen with me today. Irie. I have a large leaf of that shadow benny, also known as culantro. If you cannot get that, you can get cilantro, which is also called coriander. It works the same. Well, pretty much the same, but you know, I old school. I am from the Caribbean. I'm from Trinidad and Tobago, represent the red, white, and black. So shadow benny have to make, or culantro have to make an appearance. Culantro is just how the people and them all over the other places know it as. And to build on that sort of garlic flavor that we went in there with, and to bring in a bit of onion, I've got chives, actual chives from the garden. You guys didn't see me harvest it in the back there. You didn't see me going through the plant and all kind of thing like that. But the point is, I'm going to toss in some of that chive in there. And it is that simple. What you would do is give this a mix, put it into the fridge, let it chill for about 25 minutes, nothing more. And then, I'm telling you, boy, you see this? You see that sort of broth? That sort of gravy on the bottom there? Yeah, I'm using the wood gravy. But you're gonna let this do its thing. Pull it out, yeah, barbecue people coming over this summer or whatever. Now remember, if you want to add Scotch bonnet pepper in there, or if you want to be big and brave and go with the Trinidad Moruga scorpion, yo, bless your little self. Uncle Chris not punishing my body with that thing anymore. I grow it and I give it away. You see that Moruga scorpion? That's a different layer kind of beast in that kind of thing here. Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com. Lychee Chow, so simple, so easy. And you know, the sweetness and the acidity from the lemon juice, the garlic, the shadow benny, the little bit of chive, garlic, onion flavor. Oh, you gonna love this one. Give it a try. Irie? Irie.